Joining us right now to unpack more of this, MKM's chief economist Michael Darda. Michael, I want to start with your reaction to the White House policies. How are they impacting the job market?
Well, I think at this point, the Federal Reserve is really carrying the day here with these rapid rate hikes. We've had 4 75 basis point rate hikes in a row now. So this has been the most rapid ascent in short-term policy rates than we've seen in over 40 years. And that will have an impact on the economy with a lag. What today's numbers are telling us is that the labor market still has momentum. The labor market remains tight. It's been quite strong, and that's a signal to the Federal Reserve to keep going. And that was essentially Fed Chair Powell's message this week. And I really think that dominates anything that the president and Congress are going to be doing in the near term here.
We might see lower unemployment filings, but we also see companies and business owners across industries not being able to find employees to fill positions. Jobs added, not filled. So what does that do to our economy over time?
Yeah, I think we're seeing the evidence of that. We've had a slowdown in economic growth. If we just look at final sales, which is basically consumption and business investment to the private sector, there's been a very sharp slowdown going into the third quarter, yet this labor market is continuing to show resilience, pretty strong momentum. There has been a slowdown. If you look at like the 3-month average in payroll growth, it is slowing, but 261,000, that's a very strong number for an economy like the U.S. And so I think the takeaway from the jobs number is resilience and ongoing Fed tightening.
Many organizations are raising wages in hopes of luring employees. How do higher salaries affect all of us?
Yeah, I think the higher salaries are a reflection of the tight labor market. The goal of the Fed here is to slow growth enough to loosen the labor market, and then that will have an impact on wages and inflation with a lag, but there are lags. And so I think we're moving into a difficult period for the economy and business cycle and labor market next year as the lagged impact of this cumulative Fed tightening really begins to assert itself.
Michael, we appreciate you joining us this morning. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.